Alrighty, how's everyone doing today? Welcome to my channel. This channel is for educational purposes. We check into great theories, concepts, and discoveries that could really help you if um, you're interested in improving your mental, spiritual, or physical health. But these are things that have been suppressed and that the powers that be don't want you to know about. We're trying to dig them up, and this is a segment that is called the Q-tip of the spear. And in this segment, this is a recap of some of the day's events from having listened to various uh, people who cover the cutting edge of the info war. And I just make some random comments on what I've heard. And I am kind of, you know, uh, a little bit, um, a little bit curious about this concept of the normies and a lot of the um, tip of the spear Q people. They use that term. Um, Also, the term seagrass. People who are just swayed in the wind, and they can be, you know, a weekend of psyops can get them to believe in pretty much anything. And I, you know, I don't think it's really that cut and dried. I think that uh, a lot of these people have TDS and cognitive dissonance, and so they have these kind of built-in blockages that otherwise, because I really do know a lot of normies who are not normal. A lot of people who don't have a clue what's going on right here in this situation, but they're not at all normal. I mean, they are, um, you know, irreverent and spontaneous and able to, and creative and able to be light on their feet, to change on a dime. But they're not picking up on this because there's just uh, a couple blockages that they have where they're they're not seeing just a certain aspect of it. And so I feel like these people, I I I don't know exactly how to communicate with these people or get through to them. I don't try to do that. Um, and I'm not sure if that would be fruitful to try to do that. That's not really what I'm talking about. I'm just more saying that I wouldn't be closed off to those people. Um, if they approach you, or if you see if you see something that you might be able to plant a seed, or you might be able to create a wedge. Um, I wouldn't I wouldn't write those people off. And I feel like people that are willing to write those people off, call them idiots, and um, demean them, and say, well, there's just a lot of stupid people out there. Um, that makes me question you and your credibility and your um, reliability, because you're you're like projecting on them. They're All of us are asleep in a certain way, and we all have to wake up, um, by degrees, a little at a time. And I just have to say that, you know, coming from where I'm coming from, um, the people that are in the queue, commentators, the people that are the decoders, the ones that I've seen, I see you as normies. You guys are normies to me. You guys are completely bought into a bunch of psyops that I see very, very clearly. And I sit out here and I figure that I give you the benefit of the doubt because I see that you're some of the most open people that there are. You're the ones who figured out the Q thing, and you're the ones who have decoded this stuff. But you're completely blocked off to what I'm saying, in the same way that the normies are blocked off from what you're saying, because you're not willing to apply your own standards. You have excavated, dug up the entire 21st century and the 20th century, looking for psyops, for uh, digs, for rabbit holes, and you've gone into all of them, and you've uncovered incredible stuff that has been very helpful. Um, and you do that every week with your decodes, and but at the same time, you're not recognizing that the psyops go back way, way, way further than that, and that they have infected every aspect of your being from day one on this planet. And so, if you haven't completely purged your conditionings, habits, rituals, holidays, uh, reading material, belief systems, these are all infected like pretty much automatically. And so you're wanting to go forward with a bunch of doctrines that are not suitable because they are infested or infected, whatever you want to say, with psyops. And the most direct one of those is the New Testament of the Bible. It's a psyop written by the Romans. There is no Jesus. He was made up by the Romans in order to pacify the Jews, who were a major thorn in the side for the Romans. The Romans were masters of psychological operations, and masters of creating religions. Um, they had the means, method, opportunity, and they're the only people who had the opportunity to do it. The New Testament is written in Greek, the language of the Caesars, um, along with Latin, but not in Palestine. Greek was rare there. Um, and the work of Josephus will give you all the particulars. Because if you compare the work of the Roman historian Josephus with the New Testament, you will see unmistakable parallels on just about, like several unmistakable parallels per chapter of your gospel stories, especially if you're looking at the book of Luke. And we know that Josephus comes from the Roman Caesars. So, but there's a lot of other things like that. And you haven't dug into these things. And so until you do, I will continue to see you as a normie, and I will continue to see you as a person who is asleep. Um, and, you know, um, I think that that might not be, maybe you think that you're awakening. And I think that there are a lot of you that are open to this if you only will hear it. Um, I believe that I have an advantage over you because you are trying to talk to so-called normies, and they might be a little bit more closed off to it than you are. I see you as normies, but I see you as having great potential to understand what I'm talking about because you know what a psyop looks like. You know exactly what a psyop looks like. Well, the New Testament of the Bible is exactly what a psyop looks like. So open up your pages, get yourself a copy of Josephus, and go down that rabbit hole. And you can thank me later for um, relieving you of the illusion, the biggest psyop of all time, Christianity. All right, like, share, subscribe, comment, and contribute. Share this as much as you can because this is crucial for the movement. The boss, the commander in chief, along with the 17th letter, need to be confronted with this information because they I guarantee you that they know that the New Testament of the Bible is a psychological operation. They're just not telling you, and they're pandering to you instead until you figure it out. And maybe then they will divulge a little bit more. Um, okay, thanks for tuning in today. And check me out tomorrow for the next episode of the Q-Tip of the Spear. Have a wonderful day.